What up, YouTube? I've got this Hero 8 Black Media Mod here. I pre-ordered it. It just showed up today. I haven't opened it yet. As you can see, it's still sealed up. I figured I'd open it up and see what's in there. Do a little bit of an unboxing. Never done one of these before. And then bolt it up onto my helmet and get the Hero 8 hooked up to it, and the Rode microphone hooked up to this thing. And let's get to it here. Grab my little razor blade. Got the tape. Put that over there so I don't cut myself with it like an idiot. Get out of there. The box. Don't care about that. Warranty, don't care about that. Don't really care about that. And we've got typical GoPro stuff, a little mount. Oh, there, motherfucker. Yeah, probably already got several of those. Thumb screw. And then unfold this monstrosity of a box here. I don't think there's anything else. Yep, nothing else in there. That can go away too. Let's have a look at this thing. There's a lever here at the bottom to unfold this. Alright. There's the USB-C plug thing inside. Shotgun microphone thing. Cold shoe mount. Another cold shoe mount. That just clips right on. I do that again and understand how this works. Okay. And then you can just clip it together. There's your 3.5 mic port, USB-C port, and what is that? HDMI, I think. Alright. Get this shit out of the way. Bring this helmet over here and start dismantling. What we got here? Unscrew this thumb screw. I previously had the old school mic adapter, this thing right here. It was velcroed to here, and it would plug into the side of the GoPro here. And then the mic cable, of course, plugs into the back of this thing. Big, clunky, stupid, heavy piece of shit. Oh, bumped it. Don't bump the camera, stupid. And then we're going back to this thing. So, open this again. Pull that apart. We grab our GoPro. As you can see, I bought this Ulanzi battery door thing. It keeps the battery contained and sealed up, and you can still use the USB-C port. Very cool product. It's only about 10 bucks. And clip it like that. All right, lift it up. Pull it off. That's what I'm guessing how this works. Leave the battery in there. The battery, an SD card, and USB plug. Where's the front? Okay. I guess it goes like that. Huh. Yeah, it plugs right in. Okay, I kind of like that. And then your feet on the bottom fold down. Huh. I drew this little line on here to index it in the mount. Alright, well, let's put this thing on here and screw the thumb screw in. See how long I struggle with this. Not very long, that's good. You can see my marks. I drew the silver Sharpie down there to get my orientation right. Ooh, not much room there to turn the thumb screw. Not much room at all. I might need to get a wrench or something on that. It's pretty tight clearance in there. Well, that's what it looks like in the mount. You can see my Rode Lavalier GO microphone here. This is the plug. I just have the cable wrapped up and tied with zip ties and secured to the helmet with Gorilla Tape. That stuff is fantastic, by the way. This right here is where the microphone location is. It's right underneath this fuzzy windsock thing. I end up breathing on it because the helmet has a little vent right there. But anyway, let's plug this thing in and see what this is going to look like. Ooh, that ain't bad, really. I thought the cable there would. Oh, that's pretty nice. Nice and compact. Huh. Oh, I actually like the way the button works better now. The button on the right side of the, I guess it would be the left side over here, on the GoPro itself, when it's not in the Media Mod, is hard to get your hands on and it's hard to tell if you pushed it or not. Look at that. I like this. I wonder what it looks like from inside the helmet. Huh. Yes. So that's kind of what you can see when you look at it, you know, from inside the helmet. I bet you've never seen that perspective before. Because I disrupt the entire everything with this. Anyways, hey, that's pretty neat. Okay, first impressions. Assuming it's, you know, same quality as the other, as using the little GoPro adapter here. This is pretty sick. I don't want to let this video run on too long. I thought I would just kind of run you through my first initial impressions. And this is really nice. Typical GoPro quality. You know, the accessories are usually pretty, you know, solid and built well. And I would say this is no different. I will say that it was an absolute stupid ass mistake to not have this thing available at launch with the Hero 8. Either way, thanks for watching. Look forward to more videos and audio testing with this thing. I will have those up within the next few days. Thank you. Brap on, my friends.